What's going on, y'all? It's Javon Foster here. Now we back at it with another Forex breakdown. So as you guys know, today was NFP. We could, look at the news right here. About, almost 30 minutes ago, right? Some news was released about the US dollar. As you can see, for unemployment rate, we have some negative news. Um, and also for hourly earnings, some negative news as well. The non-farm employment change was positive, but we had more negative than positive, um, especially the unemployment rate, which is a very high impact on the market. So, um, so I'm gonna break down, guys. Sorry about that. That was my alarm. I'm gonna break down, guys. Few trades that I took today. One of them wasn't even a trade that I took. It was today. It was a trade I've been holding since the past 2 days, actually, and it played out just perfectly. We're just staying there until NFP. So first, let's talk about Euro USD, right? Nice little breakdown today. So Euro USD, why did I took this setup? So USD, as you can see on the hour time frame, right? The market, I'm sorry, the 4 hour time frame, the market been downtrending, guys. Right. So as you can, if you mark this up right here, you can see that the market been downtrending, right? Um, Notice that the market broke out of that trend line, but not only break out of that trend line, guys. If you look to your left, you notice this is the previous high, and the market broke that high and created a new higher high. Okay, so now we have a new higher high established. So as market was pulling back, I was looking for common area of support or resistance, or what I like to call structure, right? And as you can notice, right above this high over here, it was a common. Hold on, let me change the color of that. I just like keep the same. Make it green, but like lighter the shade. It goes. Okay. We notice you have a common area of structure right here, and see that price is playing on it. So now, even though this was a common structure, there's two ways market could have played it. It could have dipped a little bit lower here, or it could have moved a little higher. So next, after that, what I did was just apply my Fibonacci retracement tool from low to high, right? And I see that price was sitting around that 61.8% area, which we know is a key area in the Fibonacci retracement tool. It's a key reversal level. Okay. So I had, few confluences already on this higher time frame, right? We had price at a major supply and demand level zone, right? We have price outside of a trend line. It broke the downtrend line, right? And we have price creating a higher high. So those are three already. And price at the Fibonacci retracement level. So these are all four solid confluences. And my rule is don't take a trade unless you have 4 to 6 confluences, right? So when we go down to the smaller time frame, we know we had the 618 here. So if we just go down to the small time frame, let's start with the hour, right? The hour time frame, right? Like I said, there's some, we call this a gap, a fair value gap or whatever, right? In this market here. So, I was, wondering if was price going to dip a little lower, especially during NFP, just to spike it and push back up, or it's going to break up and fill up these imbalances up here, right? So, because it's NFP, guys, as you notice, I didn't trade it all the way up here. I traded just the next area of support and resistance. Okay. Okay. And let me just clean that up as well. If you look to the left right here, it's another common area of support and resistance, guys. And I traded just a little bit under there because once again, I hate when price is like 2 pips away from my target and it doesn't hit it, it reverses, right? So I would take my money and I'm out the market. Okay. So I went to the smaller time frame, guys, like 5 minutes before, 5 to 10 minutes before the NFP news came out. Right, I was looking at the market. So one of the things that I did notice was when you look to the left here as well, right, you notice that there is a common low right here. So as you can see, price a common support. So price kept bouncing off these levels, bouncing off this level, and then it dipped and give us a V shape, and it came back in and bounced. And at that point, I decided if price give me an engulfing candle, which you see right here, engulfing candlesticks. At that point, I'm looking to take the trade. Now, I was looking away for a moment, and I entered that trade a little bit late, but entered up here. The spread can put me a little higher, and then when price kind of went back down a little bit, I entered here and take a second position. So I had two position on this trade, and then I let the market ran, and it smashed my target, guys. Now, I didn't even though it's a breakdown, I haven't mentioned it to you guys yet, but I have started a nice little challenge, growing an $800 account to 5,000. So you should see it somewhere on the screen over here. You should see when I first, the day when I first put money in the account, and you should see where the account is at now. Almost double or get back 100% of my investment, right? Almost flipped that to 1,600 already within the week. So looking to grow that to 5,000. So I'll be sharing videos as my account grow with trades that I took with more breakdown, right? So it's a nice 17 pip stop loss and 31 pip TP, close to risk to 1 to 2 risk to reward. I usually go for minimum 1 to 2, but like I said, it's NFP. Want to be in the market, and I'm out, and I'm happy. I'm very happy, guys. Hit my target out. I don't want to deal with this right here and missing food off my table because I want to be greedy. You know what I'm saying? Now, the next trade we want to break down is USD JPY. So USD JPY, I've been in the trade for like 2 days, guys. So as you can see, I entered this trade over here, and that was on August 30th. Today is September 1st, right? So been 2 days, guys. So as you can see, I entered this trade simply because of a common so resistance area, you could say. Nice little supply and demand, right? So price did the same thing that Euro USD kind of did. As you can see, price was bouncing off these level, bounce, playing here, went straight up, V-shape back in. And then as I see that price reject this level, I didn't want to take it because once again, at this point, price could have went a little bit higher. I didn't want to deal with that. I'd rather wait for a better entry. But as I noticed price broke these low, as you can see right there, I was like, okay, I want to get in this trade. Price did push up a little bit, guys. I was patiently holding, didn't close out panic. I didn't over leverage, so therefore just hold my trade, proper risk to reward, and just be patient. Price came back to entry, and when I noticed that price did a little it took a minute to break this level on the hair, which I marked up on the 5-minute time frame, guys. Let's see if I can go back to that right now. 5-minute time frame right here. Notice once again, it's common low, common high right there. Price couldn't break that level, was struggling on the 5-minute. So once I noticed that, guys, I did take a second entry on this trade as well, and I actually took 3 entries. So I'm gonna show you guys as well. But I closed out my first 2 entries early, and I left the last entry I took up here to run. Okay, I closed out my last 2 entries. So basically, I have an entry here, I have an entry here, and I have an entry like somewhere here. So these 2 entries I closed out first, and I let this last one run. Okay, till today. So with that being said, so let me show you guys also why. So took an entry, of course, here. Took another entry around here. Right, and then my last entry is here. So the reason I took that entry, guys, simply because the break of this structure right here. Price finally came to break it, so I was able to jump in the market and take another position around here. But it's stop loss actually at my entry too. Of course, stop loss at my initial entry there. Happy price never pulled back up to there. It did pull back a little bit here, but it never pulled back to that structure, right? And I held on to this trade, guys. And as you can see, the market literally played out perfectly, and I closed out right here, which is another perfect setup. I'm going to show you a screenshot of my trade with stop loss and profit as well, right? And I closed out. Well, I hit my stop and profit, which is beautiful, which was down here as well. So, and as you guys can see, this trade played out to 135 pips out of 150 pips. 135 out of 150. That's very good, guys. Stop loss was 66 pips. So as you can see, risk to reward was 1 to 2.3. Right, very very good trade, guys. Also to add on to this, another reason why I didn't show the higher time frame confluence, guys. I'm sorry about that. Another reason why I look to take this trade because of the exhaustion. Sorry, I don't know how I can pronounce that of this trade. If you guys understand Elliott waves as well, right, and how the price was moving, right. Knew that price was getting exhaust. Not only this price getting exhaust, guys, we had higher time frame divergence using the MACD, right? We had higher time frame diversion and lower time frame divergence as well. And as I mentioned before, the reversal pattern of the structure breaking out, coming back in to retest, right? Which is all key indicators to take a sell. And you guys cannot forget, I did apply my market banding indicator, which gave me my entry and my stop loss. That is exactly how I know where to put my stop loss for both trades, guys. My market banding strategy. If you want to learn my market banding strategy, I recommend you guys purchase my course. It's a one-time fee. And whenever I even upload new videos, different form of strategies, you guys receive those videos for free. You never have to purchase again. So you guys, so once again, like to learn how I trade exactly. There's many different information out there about trading, but I tailored my course on how I trade, right? And so you guys can see, copy, and be profitable as well. Okay. So I'll make another video breaking down the my challenge. Once again, 800. It's like $850 or $800 challenge I uploaded. I'm not uploaded, but deposit, right? And now it's profit wise, I think 150. I mean 1,000. I'm up 1,500. I'm up 1,500. Or 1,400, I believe. Once again, I did post a picture a little bit earlier in this video. So sorry if I said something wrong, but you guys will see where my gains is at and how far I am. But I know I'm almost get back 100% return. Grow my account the right way. I'm not gonna be like one of those people like, oh, I flipped $1,000 into 20,000 in 2 days. No, guys, we're not over leveraging over here. We're keeping it simple, keeping it proper, and I'm gonna show you guys how you can do it the right way, guys. It's all about patience. It's about thinking about the long term, right? And not entering trades, enter trades, and to blow your account. So I am profitable today, and I'm done trading for the day. This is not even my normal trading time, guys. I don't trade during NFP usually. I haven't done this in like 6 months, right? So what I usually do is I start trading when the aftermarket open around 9:30. Right, that's just when I start trading, guys. And you guys know US 30 is like my baby, and I haven't even traded US 30 today. US 30 looks so good. Even right now, it's looking so good to for setups and stuff. But I avoid internet traders Friday. Friday's payday for me when it comes to trading, and it's a day of relaxation for the weekend. Okay, so thank you guys for tuning in. And if you like this video, it's very helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Peace.